My name is Sukanta Roy. I am from the Ministry of Earth Sciences, Government of India. The objectives of the joint workshop conducted by the Ministry of Earth Sciences and the United Kingdom Research Innovation were to identify research gaps in the area of solid earth hazards such as earthquakes and landslides, with particular emphasis on the Indian context. I am really happy that the objectives of this workshop, which were to identify research gaps, has been very productive. In the last 2 days, discussions, deliberations were held in a very cordial manner. I could see a lot of enthusiasm between the scientists of the two countries, the United Kingdom and India, and they were able to freely share their experiences and expertise on a variety of topics that has really led to identification of very focused scientific problems that can be taken up jointly in the near future.